Everybody got two packages today, both from Bai from Japan. Went off Yahoo Japan Auctions. Let's go ahead and open them up.
Fly away 体中に広がるパノラマ顔を蹴られた地球が起こって火山を爆発させる溶けた氷の中に
To replace a different item I had that I did not like that much. Hopefully I will like this one more. We shall see. Normally I do not buy non-resin items, so I'm not a huge fan of PVC, although I do like the Figure Arts Zero and Gigantic series. But I wanted a 8 Vegeta for my Saiyan Saga collection, so I decided to test the waters with this PVC piece of 8 Vegeta cut tail. Let's see if it paid off. So it's not the cheapest one due to it being a limited edition. Okay everybody, I got the new two figures all set up here in my collection. For now, I'm going to go ahead and put this Goku MSP resin right here. And in the way shipping, I'm going to get Dr. Gero and Android 19 to place it there to have my little Android Saga. And that will complete that. So that's how that setup will look. So that'll be just like that. And over here is where I'm going to be putting my 8 Vegeta cut tail, part of my Saiyan Saga. Up here I will get a Raditz resin, it's currently in the mail, and I'm going to get the Raditz Figure Arts Zero to go with that Piccolo. I'll get the Goku and Vegeta Figure Arts Zero there, then 8 Vegeta cut tail here. So I definitely wanted a 8 Vegeta since it's a memorable moment in DBZ, so I definitely had to have that. That will be that. The other day I also did get this Trunks resin. I didn't show a video of it, but here it is. It does look better in real life than does pictures. I really like that base, it's really cool. This would be so much better if it was Goku and about 2 inches bigger. If it was Goku, that'd be an awesome piece, but for Trunks it's pretty cool. To the right I will put the new Goku Figure Arts Zero EX. There's the Broly 60 size comparison. This is this side of the collection. And I did get cooler back, so that's my movie collection right there. Pretty much done with the movies. This is basically the whole collection so far.